a Hollywood actor, and a bodybuilder. The bodybuilder is bigger, stronger, more muscular. Yet ask most people which physique looks better, and they'll pick the actor almost every time. Why? Because actors don't train for size, they train for shape. And the one muscle that makes the biggest visual difference is the side delt. It's what makes your shoulders look wide, your waist look smaller, and creates that classic V taper, even with a shirt on. The problem? Most guys skip it entirely. They pour all their energy into chest and biceps, then wonder why their shoulders stay flat and their frame looks average. Today, 3 exercises that fix exactly this. Exercise 1. Leaning lateral raise. Most people do lateral raises standing bolt upright. That's the mistake. Standing straight pulls the tension away from your side delt, so you end up swinging the weight instead of actually working the muscle. Fix. Stand next to a wall or support. Lean slightly away from it. Let your free arm hang naturally. Raise the dumbbell out to the side slowly and with control. At the top, tilt your pinky up slightly for a stronger contraction. Keep the weight light, lower it slowly. 3 sets times 12 to 15 reps. Exercise 2. Face pulls. This one gets skipped because it doesn't look impressive in the mirror. Big mistake. Face pulls do 2 jobs at once. Build your rear delts and fix your posture. Weak rear delts pull your shoulders forward, making even a muscular frame look narrow and hunched. Set a cable high, grab the rope, pull it toward your forehead with elbows high and wide. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the end and hold for a second. 3 sets times 15 to 20 reps. Exercise 3. Pike push-ups. The best body weight shoulder builder there is. It adds that round, full look on top of the shoulders, the kind that makes your arms look bigger even when you're just standing around. Get into an inverted V position. Hips high, feet walked in close to your hands. Slowly lower your head toward the floor, then push back up. It's harder than it looks. Prioritize form over reps. 3 sets times 8 to 10 reps. 3 exercises. Simple, effective, no excuses. Add these in, stay consistent, and within a few weeks your shoulders will start looking noticeably wider and more powerful. Want more content like this? Subscribe and hit the bell. See you in the next one.